how do you do your somersaults? And then what? Good job. Will, how do you do your somersaults? Will, show me your somersault.
I just thought so.
Will, show me how you do your somersault. Okay, ready? Go. Good job. Ava's turn. Somersault. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Will, your turn. 1, 2, 3. Go. Good job.